Hey students, welcome to your weekly art video. Here is your week at a glance. Make sure that you read 2.09. We're going to go over that in this video, and make sure that you take the 2.09 quiz on Thursday. Let's get started. So today we're in lesson 2.09 called Bold Blooms. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to compare two kinds of flower still lifes. One looks more abstract, one looks more realistic. As we look, listen for these words: still life, abstract, realistic, simplified shapes, detailed shapes, repetition, movement, tints, shades, and form. A still life is artwork that shows objects. These objects might be flowers, fruit, a vase, a cup, a book, or other things that the artist arranges. In Bold Blooms, both artworks are still lifes because they show flowers in an arranged setting. The big question is not whether they are still lifes. The big question is how each artist shows the flowers. In the abstract still life, we can tell that the subject is flowers, but the petals and the leaves are simplified. Why is this? I don't know why the slide's not in the screen. I'm sorry. They are not drawn with every tiny detail. The artist repeats similar petal shapes and leaf shapes. That repetition helps our eyes move around the artwork. You can also see tints and shades. Tints are lighter versions of a color. Shades are darker versions of a color. Artists use them to make the flowers look like they have form. Now, compare that with a realistic still life. A realistic artwork tries to look more like something you could see in real life. Notice the detailed petals, the stems, the leaves, the vase, the light, and the dark shadows down here. It uses repetition because there are many flowers and petals repeated throughout the artwork. It also uses tints and shades to make the flowers look three-dimensional. This is the main comparison. If the question says the artwork is abstract and has simplified shapes, look for the image where the flowers are made of bold, simple shapes. If the question says the artwork is realistic and has detailed shapes, look for the image where the flowers look more lifelike. Both can be still lifes. They're both still lifes. Both can show movement through repetition. Both can show tints and shades. The difference is simplified abstract shapes versus detailed realistic shapes. Movement in art does not mean the picture is actually moving. It means your eyes move around the artwork. Repetition is one way artists create that feeling. In these flower still lifes, repeated petals, leaves, and flower shapes pull your eyes from one part of the artwork to another. So let's review. If the question describes a still life that is abstract and has simplified shapes, choose the abstract flower artwork. If the question describes a still life that is realistic and has detailed shapes, choose the realistic flower artwork. Both choices may include repetition, movement, tint, shades, and form. The words abstract and simplified go together. The words realistic and detailed go together. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next week. Bye, everybody.